You're not going to believe some of these Bitcoin stats that I have for you today. Especially, it's probably going to lighten the mood with the prices going down as they have been. But don't be too depressed. I'm going to get into that. First, we have estimates that the Bitcoin spot ETF is going to bring on average between 20 to 30 billion dollars in the crypto space, which could actually buy half the Bitcoin on exchanges right now. Keep in mind, there's just over 2 million Bitcoin on exchanges now, and that number is dwindling by the week, as you can tell by how many people are holding one or more Bitcoin and just the amount of coins that are being taken off exchanges. All right, so Bitcoin holders now exceed 48.5 million. Imagine when the floodgates open. Remember, there's 60 million millionaires in the world right now. And many of these 48 or 48.5 million people, they own more than one Bitcoin, way more than one Bitcoin. Look at MicroStrategy alone, right? And Tether as well. There's a lot of Bitcoin that are off exchanges, off the market. Plus we have about 4 to 5 million Bitcoin that are lost forever. So guys, $25,700 or $600 right now is so filthy cheap. If you're panicking right here, you haven't been in this space for very long, okay? Just take it from me, calm down, relax. You got nothing to worry about. We have an amazing asset right here that is going to be skyrocketing in the near future. It is a beautiful time to dollar cost average. I'm going to get into why as well. Well, first off, for Turkish adult population, half of them have turned to cryptocurrencies largely due to the weakening Turkish lira. They are experiencing some really crappy hyperinflation right now, and they are desperate to go to something that has some value, that is going to keep value in the future. I think people understand that over there. Okay, former SEC Chairman Jay Clayton said that the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF is inevitable, and the SEC may announce its decision in mid-October. So that's pretty soon, guys. Makes me wonder, is this dip just to flush out the rest of the weak hands? I don't know, but hey, dollar cost average in the meantime. And guess what? JP Morgan says that the SEC will likely approve Greyscale spot ETF. Now, I don't really take what they say seriously too much because they are liars. Remember when Jamie Dimon went on national TV and made fun of his daughter for buying Bitcoin? Meanwhile, they were stacking Bitcoin as well. Anyways, these guys are liars, but whatever. They are bullish on this. They're probably going to make a lot of money on this as well when the spot ETF does come out. Lastly, we have hyperinflation, guys. Like, this is crazy. This is from Charlie Baileo. He says the U.S. national debt has now increased by $1.45 trillion since the debt ceiling was suspended 3 months ago, and it's fast approaching $33 trillion. In the past 5 years, the national debt has increased 53%. From $21.4 trillion to $32.9 trillion. And if you've been following this channel for more than a week, you will know that I've been calling since the beginning of the year that 2023, the Federal Reserve would print more currency out of thin air than ever before, and inflation, guys, you have not seen anything yet in regards to inflation. That is why if you are a part of our CT club, the link is down below, you will know how we're handling this bear market, what coins we are purchasing, because you know what? We know inflation is coming, and you know that I think it was 46% of our portfolio consists of Bitcoin. There's a reason for that. Anyways, like and subscribe. I'll talk to you soon.